ProfileClips.com brings in a revolutionary change in recruitment trends by introducing the automated interview system, a system which permits significant efficiency in the recruitment process of any hiring organization. It's simple to use, easily accessible, and just enlarges the scope of hiring a better candidate for the company. As we all know the saying, a good candidate is equal to better results. It's simple. Imagine a HR recruiter sitting at their workstation. Just by following simple steps, you can receive video interviews in your profile inbox. All the recruiter has to do is log on to ProfileClips.com, create a username and password, and register with us. We will send you a confirmation email on your ID for verification. Once registered, one can create the company profile, filling in all the details about the company like name, website, contact, and other details mentioned on the screen. You have to create this profile just once, and then you're ready to post a job on our website. Job posting is easy too. Whenever you have a job opening, click on the new job post and fill in the complete details about the job post. This includes some mandatory fields like minimum qualifications, experience required, key skills, job description, and other optional information about the job opening. Remember, you will receive video interviews from the candidates who will apply. Hence, it's important to mention the expiry of the job post, either in form of number of job interview limits or a specific time period that the post will be active. You will stop receiving video interviews once the post expires. Don't worry, as you can edit until you get satisfactory candidate results. The next step is to fill in the questions that you would like to ask to the candidates as the preliminary shortlisting round. This may include any general or technical questions you will want the candidate to answer before actually calling them for a face-off round. There are two primary questions which each candidate is required to answer as a part of the hiring process. The system will randomly select any three from the other questions so as to avoid repetitions. There are a minimum of 15 questions to be filled in for a particular job posting, which includes your primary questions. Set up a time limit for each question asked, as it will make the responses spontaneous as well as timed. Once you have completed this process, you can post your job opening. A small moderation, and this post will then be visible to the prospective candidates applying and looking for a similar job profile. You are halfway done. Candidates can now appear for the job post and record their interview, which will be visible for the recruiter anytime, anywhere. All they need is a computer and internet access. Once the job post is visible to the prospective candidates, they may sign up for the interview from any convenient location for primary screening by the recruiter. All that is needed is a computer with a web camera and good internet access. The candidates can view the job postings in the Candidates section. The search can be refined by including different categories like location, experience, and industry. Once you apply for a particular job posting, you can select it by clicking on it. Next, you will see a login page where you need to type in your unique interview code to proceed with the interview process. Don't worry if you don't have your unique interview code. You can easily get it from our authorized resellers. Just scratch the interview card and get your unique code for that particular interview. Remember, one code, one interview. You can buy multiple interview codes for different job posts. Your interview code will be valid until the time you have started recording the interview session. Even if your interview process gets interrupted due to any technical problems, you can continue your session from where you left off with the same interview code. Once you log in, you have to fill in your primary information and check the mandatory key skills eligibility. Thereafter, you are ready to go for the interview session. You can adjust the camera and microphone settings and click Start to begin with your interview. Clicking on the Answer tab will automatically start your time to understand the question and record your answer in the time limit set by the recruiter. After recording all your answers, the system will automatically upload your interview for the moderator to view and forward it to the recruiter for the screening. The recruiter now receives interviews in their profile account. Just log into the account and check for interview responses for the job post uploaded on the system. If you find the candidate suitable for the next round, all you have to do is request the personal details from us, and we will promptly help you with the same. Isn't it simple? Save time, coordinate efficiently, and give your primary screening an uplift, and call in the best candidates for a face-to-face interview. ProfileClips.com, redefining HR trends.